Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use OBS on Omegle. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your OBS and take a scene and click on this plus icon for sources, and now you can select browser, display capture or window capture. So I'm gonna selecting here display capture, and you can change the name of this layer and click on OK. And after that, click on start virtual camera and open your Omegle and click on video. Check these two options and click on confirm and continue, and then here you'll find these camera icons, so click on that and click on camera, and here you want to select OBS virtual camera and click on done. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.